Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with the 1.25 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 54 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of 7, so ideal for new drivers. And this is a 2-owner vehicle, having covered just over 28,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular paintwork is called the metallic magnetic and looks in good condition for age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. On the Fiesta, these seats are really comfortable as well. There's 2 cup holders in the centre by the handbrake for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your satellite navigation and DAB radio, which was a factory option, which is rare on a Ford Fiesta, as well as air conditioning. Ford's quick clear front windscreen, so the windscreen defrosts on a frosty morning for you. And then on the driver's door card there, you have your electric mirror and front window controls. For a small hatchback, the Fiesta's got a good, nice deep boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf is still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got your tyre inflator kit there, as well as a bit of extra storage. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front fog lights, and the 15-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.